What's up, guys? EB Coast here, back with another Twizzler Twisted Gravity construction update from April 12th, so let's go take a look. So looking at the ride from this angle, as you can see, more work went into the patio stairs as well as the queue line, and some shaded structures has also gone up over here, although I'm not exactly sure what they're for. So moving over here by Casing Tower Hill, as you can see, the yacht booth has officially gone in and a new shade structure has gone up in the queue line. So over here, I just wanted to show, this is another area where they're storing Twizzler Twisted Gravity's ride parts.
Leisure grounds for the employees of Hershey's Chocolate Factory. Today, our family theme park has more than 70 attractions. At Hershey Conservatory. Visit today and flutter along with hundreds of tropical butterflies.
So that does it for this Twizzler Twisted Gravity construction update. I just want to apologize for how late this video is coming out, but I hope you all enjoyed. I'm EB Coaster, and I'll see you guys next time.